Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the most famous candlestick pattern, that is Doji candlestick. So, what is the meaning of Doji? Doji is one of the most important candlestick pattern. When this candlestick forms, it tells us about the market opens and close at the same price. Suppose when the Doji candlestick forms XYZ, this company stock price is opened at 200, and at the end of the day almost it's closed near to 200. So open of the candle and close of the candle is same. So then it is called a doji candlestick pattern. So which is meaning that, so at 200 the stock is opened and it went upside. Again the sellers pushed to lower end. Again it came to lower end, and now the buyers make the stock to stand at closed at 200. So open is equal to close of the candlestick. So then it is called a doji candlestick. So which means that the buyers and sellers is no one is controlled. If the buyers is in control, if buyers is control in the market, then it is bullish market. The price will go up. Price will go up. If buyers is in control, price will go up. If sellers is in control in the market, it is bearish market, where the price will come down. Okay, so if the buyers is in control, price will go up. If the sellers is in control, price will come down. So now coming to doji candlestick, where the market opened, closed also near to the same point. So then it forms a doji like this. So which is indicating that the buyers and sellers, no one is controlled. No one is in control. So buyers as well as sellers is not in control, or otherwise we can say that indecision. So there is no decision between the buyers and sellers. The stock will go up or go down. They are confused and they are in a state of indecision. They are in a state of indecision. So now, when this pattern occurs in an uptrend, doji is coming in an uptrend or downtrend, it indicates that market is likely to reverse. So from here, what we can say means, so when the doji is occurred in the uptrend, so the market is more likely to reverse. After confirmation, the market is more likely to be reversed. So suppose let us take an example. So market is going up like this. Market is going up and suddenly here one doji frame, whether it is in red color or green color, color is not an important. So when the market is going in an uptrend, suddenly a doji occurs after confirmation of one more candle. Okay, so the uptrend is going to reverse. The uptrend is going to reverse and new downtrend will start. In the same way, if the downtrend is going in a stock or an indices, so here at this point of time, when doji came, so it indicates that more likely the market should be reversed. So the trend will change. The downtrend will end and uptrend will start like this. So this is the very, very important candlestick when you are observing. So here uptrend is going on. Uptrend is going on. That means market is going in a bullish phase. So when the doji came, so the market is reversed. So came to downtrend. Came to downtrend. In the similar way, market is going in a downtrend. And when doji occurs, So then market is reversed its trend and it became new uptrend. So now we will see few of the examples in the chart. So then you will get a clear idea. See here, when the market started an uptrend, suddenly here doji formed. Suddenly here a doji formed, then the trend of the market is reversed. So from here to here, uptrend is going on. When the doji formed, after confirmation of the doji, so the downtrend is started. Downtrend is started. And we will see few more examples. See from here, uptrend is going on. The doji came here, again downtrend is started. So from here the market is falling on, and here one doji formed. So again new trend, uptrend is started. So like I'm seeing in the ICICI chart, you can observe in any of the chart, you will get a clear picture. Doji is indecisive candle. So the buyers are also not in control and the sellers are also not in control. So after the confirmation only, we will go to the next trend. Okay, after confirmation of a few technical indicators only we will go. So see here doji form, it fall like this. So mainly doji formed when there is no particular decision in the market, whether buyers are also not in control and sellers are also not in control. At that point of time, doji will form and the trend of the market will be changed. So see here, the trend is going up. The doji formed, after confirming, downtrend is started. So like this. So here also, the downtrend is going on. Here one doji formed. Again the trend is reversed. So like this, based on this doji candlestick, we can take few of the trade decision based on few of the technical parameters as well as price action. So we will see remaining all the candlestick patterns and technical indicators and price action. Everything we will discuss in this channel. Okay, if you are liking these videos, please subscribe and share it with your friends. So we'll come with more videos. Thank you so much.